to a bike check. Right here I got a resist pivotal seat post. Here I got a kink seat post. I have here some what are these primo power bites, shadow conspiracy, sprocket, demolition pedals, very worn. I have a federal tire here, subrosa back rim cassette. I have a KMC Z10 chain here. Right here now the frame I got a failure. I don't know what, but it's crazy, it's legit. There's this headset, S&M XLT, Stay Strong. Now here with the balls I got a Colt leader 8.5 rise, demolition bomb grips, Tioga street block 225 tie, and a stolen revolver wheel with some primo kamakazie forks, and that's my bike trip.